Yeah, I know many of you are so much perturbed when it comes to calculating pips, but I would like you to get to know how to calculate pips as you as a person today with me, the Funded Pro. So for me here, when we are calculating pips, when we want to calculate pips from those two zones, then we want to know how many pips are here within those two zones. What you are supposed to get to know when you are calculating pips, all these pips like BPUSD, have Euro USD, like those pips that have like six figures. What I mean by six figures are those one that which is 1.08995. So we take the first five figures, like here we are going to calculate the pips that will around these two separate zones within these two lines. So what you're supposed to do is when you're calculating this 1.08810, we do 1.0881. We take only 5. We go to our calculator 10881 10885 minus 10881 10885. You go and say 10885 minus 10881, then you get 4. So that means from here to here there are 4 pips around that zone. So that's how we calculate pips. So but when we go to the gold, this is where the difference comes, that when you're calculating pips around gold, when we are calculating pips on gold, like when we want to calculate from this area to where it is now, and we want to know the pips that are around this area. So what you're supposed to do, we take these first 4 figures. This is different from gold. Then we take 2150 minus 2145. Then you go to your calculator, that 2150 minus 21 what? 2145. 2145, you'll get 5. So on gold, if you get 5, that in gold, whenever you get that whole number, you just add on 0. That means from here to here, those are 10 pips. So the other points, these other points, which we see here, these other points, which we see here, the last four digits, which we see like this one after the point, those are just the microseconds which you use to calculate pips. Like when you're calculating that the second count 60 to make a minute, then minutes count 60 to make a what? To make an hour. So the same applies to go, that these other points, they are just micro pips that count to make a full pip. So that's how gold is calculated, and that's how we calculate pips. On other pairs, we take the 5 figures, then on gold we calculate using those first 4 figures. Thanks so much for listening. I think you have got something out of it. Yeah.